Pagkumpara sa BINI kay Sarah G, umani ng mga komento. Naging trending nga ang BINI sa post ng isang influencer with a pic of Sarah G in the airport without mask and BINI sa Cebu na nakamask. With the caption, Sarah continues to meet the expectation of her supporters and fans with her humility. She never acts like a Disney princess whether at the airport or as a guest at events. Her humility sets her apart from others. I hope BINI will follow her example. Well, following the footsteps of Sarah G is a great privilege of BINI. A well-known artist, so talented, and made a name in the industry. At maraming awards at achievements ang nakamit. Maraming tumitingala at umiidolo, pati na rin ang BINI. But when people starts comparing Sarah G and BINI about sa pagsusuot ng mask sa airport, sikat nga si Sarah G pero di nagmamask sa airport. Pero ang BINI sumisikat pa nga lang todo ang mask, ma-attitude, OA at feeling ang kasikatan. Umani nga ito ng pagpuna at pagwatikos sa mga tao. The difference between a true star and feeling like a star. Mga newbies pa but feeling era overload. They're actually revealing themselves of what they are. They are not really into their fans. Pero marami ding di sumang-ayon sa pagkumpara sa BINI kay Sarah G at pag-judge sa kanila. What's with the unnecessary Sarah G comparison? Sarah G is Sarah G and BINI is BINI. They are different and therefore they handle public attention differently. It's that simple. The fan culture during Sarah's time and BINI's time now has shifted a lot. BINI during the issue probably didn't even rest yet because of the succeeding events prior to their flights. But still, during the Cebu concert, they gave their best and the fans enjoyed it. You can't call yourself a fan and correct them without knowing their backstory. Besides, that is their personal decision. As a fan, you either respect their decision or quit calling yourself a fan. Maybe the times are different lang din po and the length of career na din. Sarah has been in the industry long enough that she's comfortable in public spaces. She need not need mag-super ayos cause she's gotten over the stage of glam. Maybe the age na din. She's matured and even married. She loved a simple life. BINI is just starting to make their mark. They do what it takes to keep up and maintain. That perhaps include the effort not to appear so unglamorous in public. They have a long way pa to learn and hope your feedback and everyone else reach them too for their awareness din. I love both artists, always Filipino pride. My thoughts lang din po for this matter. Please don't take it against any of the artists. Don't spread negativity about BINI. Let's be proud that we have P-pop group nga na-excel sa atong country and internationally. Filipino to Filipino app. Thank you for watching. Please like, comments, and subscribe.